Welcome back to Tecnologías video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bind two videos. The first thing we are going to do is open Play Store application and search this application. It's called InShot. It's very useful and facile. Okay, here select video and select new. You can select two videos or more videos, for example, and go to here. You can divide here, for example, divide, split, and cut, or delete, or move, and go to the mark of water. Hang on a second. Meanwhile, the advanced charge export, you can change resolution or the more low export, and that's all, guys. This charge here, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.